What is up, guys? Today I will try to answer the question what to do if the scooter is not turning on. There are maybe many reasons to solve it and how to do it. So actually I will show you the top 3 things what you need to try to wake up, let's call, your scooter if it's not turning on. The most important and the first number 1 tip is actually to connect to the charger. Usually the new scooter, like 9-volt scooters, without chargers you cannot turn it on. So first, when you plug in first time the charger, the scooter is actually activating. So as you see, scooter is awake now, showing the percentage, and actually it's turning on. And that's one of the most simplest hacks that you can do to connect the charger. Then you can unplug it and try it out whether the scooter is working. So you need to wait because it's you see it's already turned on. And that's one of the reasons if it's not activated or activated not properly, you can do this. Also, the second issue can be with power button. So the power button may not work. Then you can, because in this scooter it's E3 Pro scooter of 9-volt, the power button, as you see here, it's located not in this point but inside. So sometimes it's working bad. Then you can press and hold for a long time or multiply press. As you see, it's also turning on. That sometimes is helping. With multiply press it start to work. Sometimes some dust or water coming in the power button, so I suggest to press it many times, as you see, instead of holding. It's also a way to turn it on. And the third one, try to reset your scooter. So what you need to do, you disable it, then scooter is off, press the button here and fastly hold the brake, then wait for several seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then put it off and restart your scooter. So sometimes it's also helping to awake it, and in general when you press simultaneously it's even more efficient. So to do it you need to press simultaneously power button, throttle and the brake. So let's try it. You just press it for a long time, then you see it's enabling. Maybe there will be some error mistake like this. So it's resetting now, and this reset actually 3 times need to wait. So then you restart and it's supposed to work. So actually that's how you simply can actually awake your scooter and solve the issue when it's not turning on.